In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted project in Jira. This process can seem a bit daunting at first, but I'll guide you through it step by step to get your project back in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Jira website. Make sure you're on the official site so you have access to all the features you'll need. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign in using your Google account. Go ahead and click on Google and sign in with your credentials. It's important to make sure you're using the appropriate account where your projects reside. Now that you're signed in, locate the Plans tab. This is where you'll have the visibility over various plans associated with your account. Next to the Plans tab, you should notice 3 dots. This is a common icon in web applications for more options. Click on these 3 dots and a menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option called Admin Configuration. Clicking on this option will take you to a more in-depth settings page where you'll have greater control over your projects. Once you're in the Admin Configuration section, turn your attention to the top left of the page. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down list, select Project. This will ensure you're working within the correct scope. The next step is crucial. You'll need to navigate to the Trash tab. The Trash tab is like a recycling bin for projects that may have been accidentally deleted or are scheduled for removal. You'll find this tab within the Settings menu you previously entered. Now, within the Trash tab, you'll see a list of projects that are currently in the trash. Locate the project you want to recover. Once you've found it, again, look for the 3 dots next to the project name. This represents additional actions you can take. Click on these dots and you'll see an option that says Restore. Simply click on Restore and Jira will begin the process of recovering your project. After you've clicked Restore, give it a moment to process. The project should now appear back in your active projects list. And that's it. You have successfully recovered a deleted project in Jira. Remember, keeping a regular backup of important projects can help prevent data loss and make recovery easier in emergencies. I hope you found this guide helpful and now feel more confident navigating Jira to recover your projects. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.